This is the short third video in the Chapter 10 Ghost Lessons. This will be covering how to find the xth term of an arithmetic sequence. So if we look here, we've got two solid examples that we are going to carry out. We have, first off, we're asked to find the 12th term of the sequence 9, 16, 23, 30, etc. In order to get that value, we need to know three things. We need to know the first term, which is 9. And in this class, we're going to use a y for our variable. So y sub 1 equals 9, which means x sub 1, which is the term number of the first term, is going to be 1. Because if 9 is the term we're looking at, its term number is 1. That is the first term. We are also going to be needing the common difference. So each time here we are adding 7 to get the next term, which means our common difference, and we're using m for that, is going to be 7. We are increasing by 7 each time. The last thing we need is the term number of what we're looking for. Okay, we are looking for the 12th term, so we are going to be plugging in 12 for the x in our equation. So we have everything we need at this point to solve for the missing term. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, like we discussed in the previous video. And we plug in what we know. We're trying to find y, so we don't know that. We know y1 is 9 from over there in the blue. We know that the common difference is 7 because it's increasing by 7 each time. We know that we are looking for the 12th term, so we put 12 in for x. And we know that the term number of the first term, x sub 1, is 1. Again, if we feed this equation 12 for its x value, the y value we get out should be the 12th term. So from there, we're just simplifying this down, solving for y. So we have y minus 9 equals 7 times 11, or y minus 9 equals 77. So if y minus 9 is equal to 77, that is a one-step equation. We're going to add 9 to each side, and that gives us that the 12th term is 86. So 86 is the 12th term of the sequence. Again, it all comes down to, this is a linear function. When we input the 12, we should get the 12th term out. So let's do another one real quick. Again, we need to know a couple of things. We need to know that first term is negative 4. So y sub 1 is negative 4. And again, that is the first term, so x1 will be 1. We need the common difference. So what are we doing here? The pattern is we're adding 6 each time. So m equals 6. And we are looking for the 9th term. So we're going to have x equal 9. So again, we go to point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We plug in what we know, which is we know y1, we know m, and we know x, and we know x1. y1 is negative 4, so that becomes y plus 4. x1 is 1. X, we're going to be plugging in 9, and m is going to be 6. So again, the sign changes here because we're doing minus negative 4. When we subtract a negative, that is a positive. So again, we're solving for y. Y plus 4 equals 6 times 8. Y plus 4 equals 6 times 8 is 48. So then our last step is to solve for y. We subtract 4 from each side, and that gives us that y is 44, meaning that 44 is the 9th term of the sequence. Our next video will cover how to find the equation of an arithmetic sequence.